If you're seeing the Steam is not launched error, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you the fastest fixes step by step. This usually happens when Steam isn't running in the background, when the game shortcut is pointing to the wrong launch path, or when Steam needs a quick repair after an update. By the end of this video, you'll know how to get your game launching properly again without guessing or wasting time. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes and gaming tutorials. Let's get into it. First, the simplest fix is to open Steam manually before launching the game. A lot of games depend on Steam running first, so if you try to launch the game from a desktop shortcut or from another launcher, it may throw the Steam is not launched error. Open the Steam client, sign in if needed, and make sure it fully loads into the main library screen. Once Steam is open and active, try launching the game again from your library. If the game starts normally, that means Steam just wasn't running in the background when you tried to open it. If that didn't solve it, the next step is to run Steam as administrator. This helps Steam get the permissions it needs to communicate properly with games and the Windows system. To do this, close Steam completely first. Then right-click the Steam shortcut or Steam executable and choose Run as administrator. If you want, you can also make this permanent by opening Properties, going to Compatibility, and enabling Run this program as an administrator. After that, relaunch Steam and try the game again. Sometimes a permissions issue is all that's causing the launch error. Now let's move on to verifying the game files. Corrupted or missing files can also cause launch problems, especially if Steam can't properly connect to the game installation. Open Steam, go to your library, right-click the game that won't launch, and choose Properties. From there, go to Installed Files and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan the installation and automatically replace any damaged or missing files. Depending on the size of the game, this may take a few minutes, but it's one of the best fixes for broken launch errors. If the problem is still there, restart your PC. It might sound basic, but a reboot can clear stuck background processes, refresh Steam services, and fix temporary system glitches that block game launches. After the restart, open Steam again before launching the game. This step is especially useful if Steam updated recently, if a game crashed earlier, or if Windows was holding onto a process that didn't close correctly. Here's a quick test that can tell you where the problem is coming from. If the game launches normally when you open it directly from Steam, but not when you use a desktop shortcut or another launcher, then the shortcut or launch path is the issue. In that case, you may need to delete the old shortcut and create a new one from Steam, or check whether the game is pointing to the correct install location. If it only works through Steam, then the launcher is likely not passing the correct Steam connection to the game. So to recap, the main fixes for the Steam is not launched error are: open Steam manually first, run Steam as administrator, verify the game files, restart your PC, and test whether the issue is with the shortcut or launcher. In most cases, one of these steps will get you back into your game quickly. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. That really helps me keep making quick fixes like this for gamers and PC users. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.